Welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about cones. We have both oblique cones and right cones. So we're going to be starting out with our right cone. So if you want to go ahead and open that one. We have a picture there. So for a cone, cones are similar to pyramids. So our equation is going to be similar to the pyramid equation. So volume equals 1/3 capital B times H. That was our pyramid. Now the difference here, if you remember, between a cone and a pyramid is that now we have a circle base. So since there's a circle, instead of just putting capital B, we're going to say 1/3. Our equation for the area of a circle is pi r squared and then times the h. So 1/3 pi r squared h. Okay, so looking at the picture that we have, we're going to go ahead and copy down our equation. And then we're going to plug in the things that we know. So for this one, we have a radius of 5. So V equals 1/3 pi 5 squared times our height. Our height for this example is 8. And then we're just going to simplify. V equals 1/3 exponents first. So 5 squared is 25 times 8. Then we can take 25 times 8, which is 200. And we're going to keep simplifying here. 200 times our 1/3, V equals, this becomes 66 2/3 pi. That would be our exact answer. So our label would be centimeters cubed. Now if we're wanting to get a decimal approximation, this should be approximately. We're going to type that into our calculator at 66 2/3, or you could type in the 200 divided by 3 again, times our pi. And when we do that, we should get 209.44, and then that's centimeters cubed. 209 44 hundredths. Okay? All right, so that is our right cone. Now we do also have an oblique cone. Now remember, the formula for a right cone and an oblique cone is the same. So we're going to go ahead and put our formula up here. So 1/3 pi r squared h. Go ahead and put that at the top. And then we're going to look at this one specifically. So copy my equation. My radius this time, the diameter is 12, so my radius is going to be 6. So 6 squared times my height. The height for this one is going to be 12 because it's actually perpendicular here. Okay. Now from here again, we're going to start with our exponents. So V equals 1/3 pi 6 squared is going to be 36 times 12. From here, we can do this a couple different ways. I can see that the 36 and the 1/3 have the 3 in common. So I'm actually going to take 1/3 of 36, which is 12. Okay, so I did these two pieces to get my 12. And then I know 12 times 12 is 144, so we get 144 pi. That would be an exact answer, so we can go ahead and put a label of centimeters cubed. If we wanted to round that to a decimal, we're going to go to the nearest hundredth again. So plugging that into our calculator, 144 pi, we get 452.39 centimeters cubed. 452 hundredths centimeters cubed. Okay. All right, so that is dealing with our oblique cone. That is all that I have for you for cones today. Have a great day. I will see you in class.